Have you ever imagined how a delicious apple and a glass of refreshing milk would look combined in a drawing? Draw a short, small curve going downwards to create the apple stem. Add a small leaf pointing upwards or slightly diagonally to the side at the top of the apple stem. From the stem, draw a slightly rounded and bulging curve so that the middle of the apple is a bit bigger than the top and bottom. This way of drawing helps to create a more natural apple shape. To create the shape of the milk glass, start with a slight curve at the top and bottom to form the rim of the glass. From the two ends of the glass rim, draw two slightly slanted lines downwards to create the body of the glass. Next, add curved lines at the bottom of the glass to create the feeling of a sturdy glass base. Finally, draw light slanted lines inside the glass to create the milk surface, remembering not to make them too close to the rim of the glass to avoid the milk spilling out. Color the leaves and the stem of the apple with green. Color the leaves and the stem of the apple with green. We will color the apple with a bright red. Color the outside of the glass with a light blue, creating the feeling of a transparent milk glass. We will color the apple with a bright red. Color the outside of the glass with a light blue, creating the feeling of a transparent milk glass. Ta-da! So our drawing is finished. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting drawing videos.